Our next stop after Daytona was Titusville. We got to Titusville and then we woke up to red skies. The weather was going to be rainy and gloomy for the next few days, so we would go into the sailor's lounge and wait out the rain.
You move to the chorus faster than I do.
We said our goodbyes to old and new friends in Titusville. Next stop, Melbourne. We are sailing along what is also called the Space Coast. This is where NASA and SpaceX do their launches. We pulled into Melbourne around 3 p.m., enough for a quick exploration of the town. Then it was time to head back for dinner for a bowl of beef broccoli and to watch another SpaceX launch.
Take off soon. That's a rocket.
Oh, it's in between the piers.
Oh.
It looks like the sunrise.
Yeah, it does.
That's a rocket. Commando! Bring us some more communications with that satellite you're carrying. Whoa, that was...
Now it went into the clouds and we won't see it no more. On our way to Fort Pierce, some dolphins decided to play alongside the boat.
I'm cool. Oh, here he comes. Oh, it worked, Mama. These are photogenic dolphins. Oh. Oh, here he comes.
At Fort Pierce, Eli had another flip-flop blowout. Handyman Ron tied a string for a quick fix. We left Fort Pierce under a beautiful sunrise. We are enjoying the warmer temperatures as we continue south. There is noticeable change in the watercolors as we hit North Palm Beach.
So these are all time bridges between Jupiter Inlet and Lake Worth, Palm Beach. And you have to keep up 6.5 knots to make the bridges. Well, that's great if you're a power boat or a Beneteau or a Juneau. But those of us in old, fat, heavy sailboats have a real hard time keeping that speed up. So we are going just to the firewall right now. We actually have a scrap of jib out trying to keep speed up so we can make the next bridge. Can't really relax too much.
Or enjoy the scenery. So luckily we got 2 other boats ahead of us, so that's cool because it also buys you time when you're the last one. Because the bridge can't close down when you're like still coming through, I suppose, right? 8 more minutes and we got to get to that bridge. North Palm Beach will be our home for the next week as we reprovision and celebrate Christmas.